Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, From Dust to Shine. In today's video, I have a fence update, plus my daughter and I will be making a quick and easy breakfast because of course I do not like cooking. Plus, I'm also going to take you upstairs to our master bedroom and do a speed clean with me. So my daughter has been helping out more around the kitchen because, like I mentioned before, she will be going out to college in just a few months and she loves to have bacon for breakfast. So today she was going to try to go out and make it in the Traeger. So for breakfast, I decided to make French toast. So here I had already mixed the egg, the cinnamon, and I used some vanilla extract. I also used a little bit of milk, and all I had was the cracked wheat bread, so that is what I used. So while I was inside making the French toast, my daughter Giselle was outside with the bacon. Okay, I'm doing the bacon. And I've already done about 2 batches. Sorry, it's really sunny. And we're just taking them off now. So I was so proud of Giselle. She was able to make the bacon all by herself using the Traeger. So after breakfast, I quickly put all the dishes away so I had room to put the dirty dishes back in the dishwasher, and I did a quick wipe down. I always like to do this right after our meals so the house doesn't get so dirty, and it's just easier for me to do a quick clean right after we're done eating. And after cleaning my counters, I always like to go and clean my garbage can, and then I like to go and light up my Scentsy warmers, and I just pick up any extra shoes that I might need to be taking upstairs. It just makes me feel like the house is finally clean as soon as I turn on a candle or a Scentsy. Okay guys, so this is my room. I don't think I have ever shown you guys, and usually I make the bed before I even go downstairs, but this was the weekend and I wanted to get breakfast started for my husband because he was outside working on the fence, and I wanted him to have a nice breakfast before it got too hot outside for him to keep on working. So I didn't have time to make my bed like I usually like to. Now you will see me fluffing my down comforter. This is a medium weight and I absolutely love it. We don't have to use any additional blankets, just our sheets, and it is more than enough. I do have a gray removable cover just to hold the down in a little bit longer, and it also helps with keeping the comforter clean. Now you will see me picking up a package. I had actually ordered from Ulta some Kylie liquid lipsticks and I am totally obsessed with them. They last all day long and you do not need to reapply. I actually got mine during a recent sale. I believe it was the 21 Days of Spring and they were only $8 each. So if you have not tried these lipsticks, you really need to give them a try. I absolutely love them. But okay, enough about that because I'm starting to sound like I'm trying to sell them to you guys and that is not the case. I just wanted to let you know that they really do last. So if you don't have time to be reapplying lipstick, definitely give these a try. Okay, back to cleaning. Now I'm going to be dusting up all of my furniture. You guys, I actually use glass cleaner to clean my furniture. I feel like that is what works best. It doesn't leave any residue and I love how shiny it makes it look. Glass cleaner is definitely my one must-have cleaning item. So now I'm curious to know, if you could only have one cleaning item, what would it be and why? Let me know in the comments down below. Today I decided to use my diffuser in my room, so I ordered some essential oils from Amazon and this was a watermelon scent and I really like it, and it's not too strong and it just makes my room smell really good. Now on to my second least favorite chore, which is vacuuming. The first definitely is cleaning the bathrooms. If I never had to do that chore again, I would definitely not miss it. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. So don't click off just yet because I still need to give you the fence update. And now it's time for the fence update. This is what it looks like at the end of day 2. He is almost done and almost ready to go and start painting the fence.